Kia ora. StandOut is Downer's community for LGBTQIA+ employees, commonly referred to as our rainbow community. Our mission is to support, provide education and advocate for the rainbow community across Downer, focused on enabling a safe and inclusive workplace for all. StandOut established in May 2022 and have run a range of events, initiatives and education sessions. You may have noticed our stickers and posters at your local depot, our month-long Pride celebrations each year, or you may have been invited along to some training. Everything we do is focused on enabling a safe and inclusive workplace for all.
Inclusion in the workplace is important. Recent research in New Zealand found that 41% of LGBT+ people go back in the closet in their first job. More than half, or 58% of LGBT+ people, are not open about their sexual orientation or gender identity because they feared discrimination. Over 80% felt clear and visible signs from their manager that they take LGBT+ inclusion seriously is important in helping them to feel comfortable to be out or open at work. If you're not a member of the community yourself, we welcome and encourage you to get involved with StandOut as an ally. Allies play an important role in supporting our rainbow community and ensuring everyone feels supported to be themselves in the workplace. But you don't need to take our word for it. We have two strong allies here with us today to tell you more.
Kia ora. I'm proud to be the executive sponsor of StandOut, ensuring there is a strong voice for our StandOut community within Downer executives. Being an ally is important to me to ensure we create the environment where everyone is supported to be their best.
Kia ora. I'm proud to be a champion for change, supporting our StandOut community achieve their mission. Being an ally is important to me because I want everyone to have the opportunity to be their very best, and we can't be our best if we can't be ourselves. I know the toll that it can take on people to not feel they can be open or have to hide something about themselves. Everyone deserves to be treated with respect and to feel included as part of Downer.
If you'd like to get involved, there are a few ways to do that. You can grab a StandOut sticker for yourself to show your support by proudly displaying it in the workplace. You can participate in a Rainbow workshop to further educate yourself on content such as Rainbow 101 and Active Allyship. Lastly, you can sign up to the Ally Support Register on SharePoint.
If you have any questions, please refer these to your local People and Culture rep or email standout@downer.co.nz. Mate wā.